Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious waffles using Maya pancake mix. First, gather your ingredients. 1 package of Maya hot cake mix, 1 large egg, and 1 cup of fresh milk. You will also need 2 tablespoons of melted butter or cooking oil. Make sure your waffle iron is plugged in and preheating to the correct temperature. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable for everyone. Now let's prepare the batter. In a medium bowl, combine the Maya hot cake mix, the egg, the milk, and the melted butter or oil. Whisk these ingredients together gently until they are just combined and appear smooth. It is important to avoid overmixing the batter, as this can lead to tough waffles. A few small lumps are perfectly fine and will result in a lighter, fluffier texture. With your batter ready and waffle iron hot, it's time to cook. Carefully pour about 1/2 cup of the prepared batter onto the center of your preheated waffle iron. Close the lid and allow the waffles to cook for approximately 3 to 5 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown and crisp. Cooking times may vary slightly depending on your specific waffle iron model, so keep an eye on them. Once your waffles are cooked to perfection, it's time to enjoy them. Gently remove the hot waffles from the iron and serve them immediately for the best taste and texture. You can top them with your favorite maple syrup, fresh berries, a dollop of whipped cream, or even a sprinkle of powdered sugar. These homemade waffles are a fantastic treat for breakfast, brunch, or any time you crave something sweet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.